How to remove contacts from Facebook Messenger.
Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started.
So, first of all, open your Messenger app. So, the first way to remove contacts is by blocking them. So, just open the chat of the person who you want to block and click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and press block and click on block again. And here you have blocked them. Now you can delete the chat with them. So just press on delete and again press on delete, and the chats with them will be deleted as well as they will be blocked. The next way is open the three horizontal bars on the top left corner of your screen and click on settings. The next way is removing synced contacts. So click on account center. Once it loads, open your information and permissions. Now tap on upload contacts and now select messenger. And here make sure to turn off your upload contact. If it is turned off, then there won't be any sync. If it is turned on, then there will be sync. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.